What's happening, ladies and gentlemen? This is Mr. Baker, the music maker, coming at you with another hot request for a Chrome Music Lab tutorial. This one's called Crazy Train by Ozzy Osbourne. Yeah, one of the heaviest riffs in all of rock and roll. Rest in peace to the late, great Ozzy Osbourne, who just passed recently. This song was featured in a lot of modern movies like Trolls World Tour, Kung Fu Panda 4, and Inside Out 2. Let's hear it. There it is. That's all there is to it. I mean, you might not recognize the title, but you've probably heard that pattern before. Let's build it from scratch. This one will be quick and easy. Hit the restart button. We got a blank canvas. As per usual, go to the settings first. We're going to change two things. We're going to change length from 4 bars to 2 bars because it's short, really repetitive, simple pattern. And we're going to start on low A instead of middle C. What? Yeah, we click the drop-down menu, select low A. So those two things, 2 bars of length and low A. Click the blue check, and we got the blank canvas ready to rock. Let's go ahead and change the tempo while we're at it. This one's going to sit at 135. That one you can drag the number 2, so just drag it from 120 to 135. I'm going to change the marimba sound to synth for this one. To me, this sounds thickest and heaviest, so we're going to roll with the synthesizer sound. Won't worry about any drums for now. I can show you what some drum parts look like on top of this. We'll add that at the end. Like I said, let's just put in this pattern real quick. It's pretty simple. So we got 2 of these F sharps right here. That's the whole first bar. So 2 of this forest green one, then this dark orange, green, lighter orange, green, darker orange, green. That's the first bar. Already sounds fantastic. Now all we need is one more bar, and this part is really simple too. Boom, we got the yellow one right there. So we got a little staircase thing happening. Pink, purple, navy blue, purple, pink, purple, blue, and then this yellow. And that is the entirety of the song. Let's hear it. It's one of the first riffs I learned when I was a young guitar player. Let me see if I still remember this thing. Let's hear it. Let's see if I can play along. Nice, very cool, still got it. Tough one, but really super simple repetitive pattern. Like I said, one of the heaviest riffs in all of rock and roll. Rest in peace to the late great Ozzy Osbourne. Thank y'all for this request. This was simple. Oh yeah, I forgot. We'll show you what some drums sound like. So we can just do our circle, triangle, skip one in between, just for a regular beat. It's like a standard, club beat kind of thing like that. You can even double up the circles with the triangles. That intense kind of driving feel. Or you can do boom, smack, boom, boom, smack, which is this. Maybe put one more at the end. Pretty cool. That's a pretty sweet drum beat. That's more straight ahead. Now we can do like a halftime kind of hip-hop sounding beat if we put a triangle on the 5th box of each bar right there. Beat 3. Ooh, ooh, ah, ooh. Ah, oh, oh, oh. Let's hear this. Yeah. Boom. There it is. That's more like a hip-hop kind of crazy train sound. Like the synth kind of works. Really cool electronic drums. You can add drums or you can just leave them out. Like I said, the riff kind of stands alone as it is, and then the main drums come in later. The drums just do hits with the bass player. But yeah, that's the entirety of Crazy Train. Thank y'all for that request. I've loved this song like my whole life as long as I can remember. But keep those requests coming. If you haven't already, like I said, like and subscribe. Thank y'all for all the support. Keep on making music. Peace and love. We'll see you on the next one.